Come out from the thread rack and then pass the thread through the thread guide and enter from the first hole. Then enter the first hole and then come out from the third hole. You can thread through all 3 holes or just 2 holes. Then this is not the thread end, right? Then generally you start from the far left and thread all the way from the left. After threading all the way, thread the right side and enter from the left hole. The first thread clamp. The first thread clamp piece is placed inside the first thread clamp piece. From the middle, wrap the stick around this stick and then go to the inside. The thread clamp must be placed inside the thread clamp piece. Naturally, come down and go to the inside of it. And then when you get here, you have to lift it up, lift it up, lift it up, and then you can thread the thread clamping rod, right? Then pass this thread through the clamping piece and it will be okay. This is the left side. This way the left side will be okay. You can just leave it. Then go through the right side of the same way. After passing the line through this circle, put the first sound adding piece inside the first sound adding piece. There will be a stick on this piece. You can go through this stick and go into the sound adding device. If you want to be safe, you can pass it through this stick. The line will not jump out. Then go through the outermost groove. When you go to this place, lift it up in the same way. You must lift it up. Then go through the second hole, right? It blooms. Go through the second hole and pass the 2 threads through the thread hook. Then you are confused and don't know which side is the left and which side is the right. Then you can lift a thread and put down the presser foot. The thread will be tight. Then you lift it and see which side it is. Look at this place. Here you lift one of the threads and see which spring hole it is. We usually put the spring hole on the left. Put the right side on the right side so that you can separate it. Otherwise, when you adjust the tightness of the line in the future, you will not know which tube and which line to use. Left, left here, left, right here, right. For the inside, we always wear the left side. So when you separate the line, it is easier to adjust the tightness.